Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Patience Holt, and I am a demonstrator for Stampin' Up. Independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Central Arkansas. And I'm coming to you tonight with Paper Pumpkin, and it is the December Paper Pumpkin. And while it's too late to get this particular Paper Pumpkin, we have another one that's called Hearts for You, that the last day to order from it will be I believe the 10th of, which is tomorrow, the 10th of January, to get the February box. Now to get the January box. This is December's box, and the subscription dates are always from the 11th through the 10th. So from December 11th to January 10th, which is tomorrow, it will be for subscription to our January box, which is February stuff. So it's called Hearts for You. But I wanted to show you tonight what all you get in the kit. Now, I was too excited about this. I opened it up to see what all I had in here. And I've already put stickers on here. These are stickers for your addresses on your envelopes. This is Mossy Meadow, and very sturdy, great envelopes. And Paper Pumpkin is a subscription box, and you can get this every month, or you can get one month, pause it, you can cancel at any time, and you could add back at any time. So when you get a Paper Pumpkin, it comes all nice and wrapped. And this is actually the extra one that I have, and it is shrink wrapped. It's called Notes from the Heart, which is what this one is. And I have this one available if you would like to purchase this. It is $25. And when you get your Paper Pumpkin, it has color instructions. And sometimes there's no stamping at all, but here you have stamping. And you have a stamp set that comes with it. Let's see, there is a little guide here that tells us what stamps are here. Just a note, happy birthday, best of luck, lots of love, get well soon, hello, congrats, and thank you. And I find myself just writing a lot of notes. I do have separate birthday cards that I like to send out, so I know I'm just going to do the one that says just a note. And so I wanted to make one of each one of these to show you. And when you get your kit, if it's the first time you've ever gotten a Paper Pumpkin, it comes with a size D acrylic block. And this is one I've had for a while. I'm going to put it to the side because I like to use this one. It is a size D, but it's more ergonomic for my hand, and I like to use it. And your stamps stick to this, okay? And then this particular kit, let's see what we have here. Blackberry Bliss is the Stampin' Spot. And a lot of people keep these and use these for when they travel. I know I do when I travel. But I've got my big one out to put this one away for travel. So we're going to use the big one. Let me check right quick to see if I have shared this with my page. And here I am. Videos. There we go. Okay. So, what I have started doing, or what I'm going to start doing, is a Paper Pumpkin every month. And I used to do a live every month. Aren't these gorgeous? And I would do alternative cards. But tonight I'm just going to show you one of all three of these cards. Okay? So we have a thank you card, a birthday card, and just a note. And I am actually going to do a thank you card and just a note. Because, like I said, I don't need any more birthday cards. But you can make whatever card you want. I've got just a note loaded up. And I'm going to punch out the circle. It's already punched for you. And I hope I'm not shaking. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. And I'm going to open up my ink. And I don't have a scrap paper here. Yes, I do. Let's just use this. I have a padded table. So if you ever use photopolymer stamps, you know you like to have a pad underneath it. Well, I have a padded table, so I don't have to worry about padding and not stamping here. Okay, so just a note. There we go. Nice crisp image here. Okay, so this one, these card bases are basic white, and they're thick basic white. You always want to make your card bases with thick basic white. It holds up better than regular cardstock. The basic white cardstock is for sentiments, but if you use thick, it holds up better quality cardstock there. So I'm going to do that. And then, let's see, instructions, please. Okay. So the first one I'm going to do is with the fern. And it's actually number 2 in my instructions. And I don't see little strips that they have on here, but that's okay. They gave us these vellum punch outs. I've already punched them out. And it looks like it goes right here. And then the fern on top. So I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. So on the back of the fern and on the back of the vellum, I'm actually going to take my seal and do that to hold my vellum because it will be hidden from the fern. Ooh, I really like this. It looks like it's got, I don't know if you see that, it's not all white. I like that. This is white, but this looks like it has something on it. Let's see. It's very light, very faint. Maybe champagne color mixed in there. Okay, so then I'm going to get my dimensionals, and they give you dimensionals with your pack. I'm just going to put 3 on here. Take the backings and put them away. I'm going to just fashion this right here. And then, let's see, just a note. Where did it go? Here it is. You know how you can lose something just right there. I'm going to go ahead and pop this up also with all my dimensionals, and I'll use 3 there. Okay, just a note right there. Then I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool and get some of these beautiful champagne color embellishments. Ooh, I really like these. And there you go. Card number 1. Let me burnish that a little bit more. Card number 1 is done. How about that? Simple, quick, and when you don't have time to go to the store and spend $6 or $7 on a card, this is awesome. You get, let's see, how many cards would we get here? You get 9 cards, 3 of 3 designs. So that's for $25. So that is a great deal. So our next card is going to be this rose card. And I'm going to make it a thank you because I do not need another birthday card. So let's just set this aside and find the thank you on here and load it up on my block. Just put it right there. Okay. And then it is, by the instructions, it is on this oval punch out, so it's actually on a different one. Let's see if it'll fit on this one. I don't know if it will. Oh, it will. I always like to stamp. Okay, and so then I'm going to stamp this in the middle of this one. Thank you. There we go. That looks so good. Okay, so for our rose card, we are going to get another card base and fold and burnish it. I've got a bone folder. This bone folder is a perfect tool. Every crafter needs a bone folder to make those good creases. And so let's go ahead and put dimensionals on the back of this and just set it aside. And then let's find our rose punch out. Now, it has this vellum paper under it also, and I'm going to do like I did a while ago and just put a couple of strips of seal adhesive. You won't see the adhesive because it will be behind the roses. Okay, I think there's 2 roses here, and I'm going to do it probably like that. So let's get some dimensionals on here. I'm going to want another one, and I just realized that this is not punched out all the way. Got my take your pick tool that has another end on it. There we go. There we go. I'm going to do it like this. Okay. Going to do it this way. Very good. And then happy birthday is kind of offset. I am going to set it over to the side. And mine, remember, says thank you. There we go. Now let's get these sparkles on it. Okay, I like some big sparkle. And some little sparkle. I think I might just do more than 3. How about you? What do you think? Okay. I put 5 on here. And they always say to do odd numbers because it draws you to it, I think. I'm not really sure. But I do know the odd numbers works for me. Okay, that's card number 2. This was number 1. This is number 2. Well, in the order that I did it. Actually, the rose was number 1. Okay, the last card that we are going to do has some berries and some flowers here. I believe those are blackberries. Of course, with Blackberry Bliss. Blackberry Bliss is the name of the color we're using, the ink. And I'm going to make it a thank you card as well. So let me ink up that and stamp this right in the middle. Hopefully that's in the middle. Here we go. I close my ink before I put my fingers in it. Okay. So let's get another card base and fold and burnish that. Have a good crease. And it has a very faint champagne color there. I like it too. And then there again, I'm going to do a little bit of seal for my vellum. I'm going to angle it this way this time. Let's get some dimensionals on the back. Let's see. Is there one more thing that needs to be punched out? Yes. Here we go. Now, this is just a quick and easy way to get time to yourself. I used to call this my therapy in a box. In fact, I had a subscription for a year, but I found they were not coming to me fast enough. And that's when I just jumped in and joined Stampin' Up! So I could get all my crafting. Now here, Yes, actually, yes. I'm going to put it right there. And it will stand out. These are called dimensionals because it gives dimension. See, do I want it right there? I think I want it in the center. But it just covers it up. Okay, let's do this. Down here. Thank you. And there you go. How about that? We have card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. And I hope you like this short demonstration, but this is Paper Pumpkin. And I will have everything in the description. And you just click that link if you would like to have a paper pumpkin. Contact me. I do have one extra of this one. Now, you can't get this box, but I will load up pictures and show you the ones you can get. Or you can hop on over to my website, and that is notesfrompatience.com. And look under, I believe it's called Class Kits. I'll have the link for you in this description. But thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.